Kasi tol, i-soften mo na yung muscle bago i-massage. Mas madali. Yes, sir. No, tinuruan niyo, sir.
Clock is already running.
Hindi ko na-feel.
First possession.
Kasi, mayroon talaga dyan.
Next possession is blue. Aguil. Pass to left-handed by EJ. No good. Bruce ball foul on Master. Winston. Winston, first personal, first team foul.
Walang libreng sisig yan!
Only to Winston. EJ. Back to June. June to Yok. 65, George. First personal on George, second team foul on YPBL. Sorry. Neighborhood Roofing. 2 shots for EJ. First basket, didn't hit anything. Second basket, no good. Rebound by Mike. George. Winston. Pass to Aldrin with a steal for 2 points. Steal by Aldrin, 2 points by Yok. First basket of the ball game. EJ steal. June to Igor. Igor waiting for his ball. Yok. To June. Back to Yok. To Irene for 3. Using the glass. Totoo ba yun? For 3. 5-0. Hoy, magtila ka rin para bukas. 5-0 is the score. YPBL 5. Almost a steal, but recovered by George. Wow, what a pass by George to Mike. Assist by George, 2 points. Mike. Igor waiting for Aldrin. Makes his move, pass to Yok. Yok looking for open teammate to Igor. Back to Yok. Oh. Decides to take the jumper short. Rebound, Mike.
Go June!
George. Pass to Eddie Strong. Rebounded by Mike. Follows it up for Julie. Iba na matangkad, Mike. Rebound, Mike. 2 points, Mike. Score is 5-4. Isa na lang po ang kailangan ng YPBL.
Wala si Gandolfo.
Go! Yan!
Go.
June!
June, no. Back partially blocked by Mike.
That was a good cut! June!
George to Mike. Mike, better move. Using the last play. Now. Good stands for by EJ. Getting the shot. Yes! 3 for Aldrin.
Huwag niyang ubusin, may bukas pa!
4-point lead by Yok to pinasarap. Lechon.
Si Jay, may bala pa yun.
Wala na.
Kuya Eddie, to George. Grabbing and going to substitution, 5 minutes, turnover. Substitution, come on. 3 out, 3 in. Sa blue. Sa kabila, at rin ba? Dalawa lang. Nakalabas yun. From Biscuit, Argel. Rocket ball.
Galit na si Gandom the Great.
Makinig ka ng parts, Brad.
Init na mga ulo na tayo.
Harris, power move. Orange with blue. Three points again. No good. Long rebound by Lito. Lito, pass to Alvin. Pass to Renante. Back-to-back turnovers. Alvin with the rebound. Idol, that's for the basket. Reverse step. It's good. Power move.
Lakas talaga yung idol ko.
6-point lead by YPDL. Not pressuring OG. George, jumper. Yes.
Yan, mga ningana na zero.
Smooth bounce by George. And 4-point lead YPDL. Igor, Zaldi. Alvin again for 3, no good. Luka, rebound. OG, pass to Mike, posting up against Alvin. Jumper by Mike, no good. Harris controls the board. Igor looking for a teammate, right to the basket. He got fouled by number 2, Reynante. That's Reynante's first personal 30 foul on neighborhood roofing. 2 minutes, 5 remaining in the first quarter. Igor orchestrating the play. 5 seconds without the dribbling.
Isolation right here.
Turnover by Red. Ang negative. Lito for 3 out. Big Mike.
Adi ka control.
Oh, he got fouled by number
Makusgan mo na.
52, Alice. Yes, 52, right? Left. That's Alice's first personal, first foul
Hindi, pwede po na muna siya.
YPDL.
Run.
2 shots for Big Mike.
Kanin siguro? Red o blue. Pwede lang na ako giniskuran kay.
First
Kuya
basket
ko
for
basta
Big
ka
Mike is good.
Balingaw ko magtanaw.
10-7 is the score. Second basket for Big Mike is also good. 10-8, just a 2-point lead by YPDL. Back to Igor. To Zaldi for 3. Assist from Igor. Cleared by Zaldi. 13-8, 5-point lead. Joyce for 3, short. Mike with a rebound, follow up. Using the glass. Rebound and 2 points for Big Mike. 30 seconds remaining in the first quarter. 13-10, 3-point lead by PDL. Zaldi against the Peloton. Igor, jumper, yes, yes. 12 seconds remaining. just a count it. Count it.
That's counted.
Okay, is it foul? No foul. Okay, clear as day. Hey, no foul. Huwag kayo magalit. No foul. Kami na kayo dyan. Okay, next time. Rudolph, the score is 15-12. Exciting ball game. Takulang ball naman.
Man, with all that trouble, that's all you're gonna watch.
There's time.
There's a lot of traveling.
I'm
not gonna call every
First possession is red. First possession is red. It's Duval. Next possession is red. Let's go. Starts. OG. We got foul. Ready? That's Mac. Brisket first personal, first team foul on YPBL. Ready? Oh, sa steal ba yun? Nakaharap kayo dyan eh. Parcel. Rebound by Aldrin. Yup. To Mac. Mac ball. Layup. Oh, hook shot. Misses the ring. Rebound by Winston. OG for three. No, Winston rebound for two. Rebound and 2 points for Winston. Master. Esquinol. Oh, foul. 24, Kuya Eddie. That's Kuya Eddie's first personal, first team foul, second team foul on YPBL. Wala. No prayers. Assist by Drew. 2 points for you. 1 team foul each team. Mac pressuring OG. Double team switch by Yoke. OG escapes with a jumper for 2. Ang galing naman ng move na yun. 17-16. YPBL just 1 point lead. Yoke against Winston. Passing out to EJ, to Mac, to Igrill,
Lakas talaga niyan.
20-16, assist by Mac, 3 points by Igrill. Pressure by Mac. OG for 3, yes! Ang linis naman nun. Exchange of threes, 20-19, 1 point lead by YPBL. Look for 3, no. Mac rebounds, lost it, but recovered by Igrill. Aldrin, lost pass to Mac, bounce pass to EJ. Ayan. Igrill, using the pass, wow! Ang galing ng move nyo, banda. 22-19, tatlo po ang kalamangan na YPBL. Hindi naman na yung blue. OG against Wood. Sundot now by Wood. That's good. First personal, second team foul on YPBL. 6 minutes 30 remaining in the third quarter.
Yok, salubungin mo, Yok!
3-point lead by YPBL. Mike Brooks.
Grabe!
Travel. You can play his... Well, look at that. For two assist from Big Mac. Traveling again.
That's easy goal for them. Yung travel, madaling makita yung travel.
Go!
Foul number 24. Two shots. Second personal on Eddie. Technical on Eddie. 24 technical. Oh. Hey. Out. Neighborhood roofing. Okay, has already made a call. This is judgment. Judgment call your brother. Let's go, let's go. 5 minutes soon. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
I do want to get out. No, he's staying. He wants to get out?
Let's go, let's go.
Get out for the shot. Hey, just keep playing. Hey. Aris.
This is the technical free throw shot. Oh, there's a foul? Okay.
Make him work, bro. We gotta tire him out.
First basketball work is good.
Keep pushing, just push him. Make him work. Nice,
Second
Yogi.
basket by Yok. Good. Those are the fouls, free throws. This is the 2 shots for the technical.
Nandi. Hey, we're playing zone, okay?
No good. Second basket for the technical is good. 26,
Hey! Sino ba yan?
27, 19. Ball remains
Relax lang!
scored by Ochi. Ball remains with Blue. 27-19, 8-point lead by YPDL. Good night. Power move, no good. He got fouled by 7-2, Big Mike. First personal on Big Mike. First two foul on Neighborhood Roofing. Next foul by Neighborhood, 1-1. Foul on number 72. Okay, let's continue. First basket by EJ, no good. Second, that's the second personal on next foul is penalty. There you go. George. Rebounds it. OG straight to the basket. Lays it up for 2. 27-21. Anim po ang kalamangan ng YPDL. Blocking foul by Lift. And out wide PBL. Second personal on Brook.
Eh, sa offense wala.
Second personal on Brook.
Sa defense eh.
13 foul on wide PBL.
Si OG, asawahin mo na. If he gets by you, foul him. Okay? Asawahin mo na. Huwag mo na, magkakari. Kaya mo, hindi matagabi na bola. Yan. Okay, Jun, support mo ka. Itong dalawa. Hindi mo lagi ito, support ka. Okay, kung inside, wala. Tignan mo, sinabi naman ng ulo. Okay? Okay.
Start the clock. There you go.
Patay!
Renate for three. No. George rebounded. Pass to Mike. Renate recovers. Foul on. Second team foul. Second personal Harris. Luka for three. No. Red ball.
Support ka bro. Go! Aris, be a threat bro, be a threat!
Yup.
Boom, boom!
And Mike controls the board.
Here you go, put these, Aldi! Watch it, June!
George for three. Yes! Clean as a whistle. 27-24. Takbo na lang po ang kalamangan. June. Almost a steal. Alice recovers it. EJ pass to June. June play. Yes. Assist from EJ. Floater by June.
Recognize nyo, si June!
29-24.
Right, kami, right!
OG, yes! For three! Dalawa na lang po ang kalamangan. Right over F.
Magkalaman talaga yan sa second quarter eh. Kasi pagod na.
Second half.
EJ to Yoke, back to EJ. EJ almost a spin. Zane! What's wrong? Yoke rebound! Lost the ball. Blue ball.
Defense, Aldi, you're right!
15 seconds remaining. Yuka for three. No. Good Mike. Controls it. Usoi the glass. Oh no. EJ rebound. 35 seconds remaining. Oh, still about Renate. Renate. Place it up.
Blue ball.
Ball remains with 30 seconds remaining. 13 seconds. 10 seconds. George with three more. George, you. It's a penalty situation. One on one. That's the 16th foul. 1-on-1 for Yup. 29-26.
Laruhan na Ayuk! Basta way sakit ang shoulder. Shut na.
1-on-1, that's it. Okay, naman na ito, wait.
Ay, naging pamilya ko lang yan. Wait na. Kuwari, kurdamono nila yung Si Max.
Next possession. Welcome to the second half between Mark BBL and Neighborhood Roofing. Start. I will. Drive to the basket. No, strong. James with a rebound. James bringing down the ball, pass to Brady. Back to James. To Big Mike. Big Mike. Turn around jumper. No good. Winston with a rebound. To George for three. Nope. Brady rebounded. He got fouled by number 61, Salvi. First personal on Salvi. First team foul on YBBL. Ball goes to Red. Good backs out by Iger.
Hey, lapit!
Wrong uniform. Iger to York. To EJ jumper. No. To Mike. Controls the board. George. Guarded by York. Cross-court pass to James for three. York. Almost. Mike rebounds. He got blocked by Alvin. Alvin to Zaggy. Yes! For two. Assist from Iger.
Kaninong anak yun?
Ready? Pass to George. George for three. No. Iger controls the board. Pass to Zaggy. To Nick. Takes it. Back to Zaggy. Nick assists 2 points by Zaggy. MVP of the first 2 minutes of the third quarter.
You got the win!
That's Kurevi's third personal.
Wala pala.
First team foul on Neighborhood Brooklyn. 2 shots for York. Score is 33-27. First free throw by York is good.
Sino ba kulang sa bulo? May kulang ba sa ang bulo? Tama? Ganda ko?
Second basket by York, also good. 35-27. Up to a 2-point lead by YPBL. Ball remains with blue. Blocked by Iger.
Tira!
Master! No good. Rebound by Iger. Almost. Almost, but not. Steal by George. James for Winston. Wow, reverse, sayang. Rebound by Winston. Steal by EJ. York, 3 against 2. Pass to Iger. Iger thinks about it. Takes a 3. York. Wow, rebound by York, but blocked by Good Mike. Iba na matangkad. Mike, no good. George with a rebound. Pinayang up soon by Zaldo. Zaldo sumakay ka pa. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Open!
Manalo open for 2. So, Mike rebounds it. We got fouled by number 19, Aldrin. First personal on Aldrin. Third, second team foul on second team foul on YTBL. Both teams have 2 team fouls. 2 shots for Big Mike.
Sasaw, gigadulo. Kapoy na.
Missed on the first
Kaya sa
shot.
may dako nila nga kulang.
Score is 35-37. Wala po ang kalamangan na
Si Arvin lang kulang
YPBL.
yun niyo. Ay, may isa pa. Si Bay. Si GP. Dili.
Second basket by Big Mike. Ito po. On the speed, I play. Take it up for two. Lima na lang. 35-30. 4 minutes trouble remaining in the third quarter. Angel, almost a steal. Alice. Double dribble. Big brother, double dribble. Ginawa. Again. 4 minutes to go in the third quarter. OG against Frank Brisket. George. Pumuka to Big Mike. Almost. Angel, but it's a foul on Alvin. Second personal on Alvin. Third team foul on YPBL. 2 shots for Big Mike.
Tama na kadikit na ako. Kasi pag nakatanggap ng bola, no way ka na mapipigil mo siya. Dikitin mo lang para mailang yung magpapasa. Ganun ginagawa ko, diba?
First basket, Big Mike. Good.
Tama mo kasi siya ng bola. Yung chances na mapaul.
35-31.
Ilang?
50 at
Second basket, Big Mike. Pasok yun. 35-32. Tapos na lang po ang kalamangan ng YPBL.
Baba tayo eh. Siya, tatagin pa rin.
Angel.
Pagka tayo umudan na rin.
Galing by OG. Knock for three. Last touch by Blue. Remains with red. Angel. Back to Iris. Takes a shot. Mike with the rebound. OG. Oh, good foul by June. What's that? Oh, it's what do you call that, Greg?
Kailangan ng gamot sa gout para may powers.
It's a hard foul. It's for the sportsman like down. So is that a 2-shot?
Dito kasi, ano, sa
Intentional foul, 2 shots for 1-6 of June.
Technical talaga. Ano yan?
Sa liig mo ginanon.
Sa liig pa rin.
Sa liig.
Dito sa baliwag.
First basket by OG is good. Second
Dapat
personal
dire
on
ra sa
June.
pagunitan.
As first personal correction, 2 shots for OG is good. 34-35. 35-34. Isa na lang, kalamangan ng YPBL.
Hawak, ano? Jay.
OG. Oh, long pass to June. June to back. Back to Aldrin. Aldrin to Aldrin. Aldrin. Close it up. Rebounded by Reynante. OG. For 3. Yeah! 35, James Taylor, it's now a 2-point lead by Neighborhood Roofing with 1 minute remaining in the third quarter. Harris to Mac. Harris, yes, a floater by Harris is good for 2. It's a tie, Bogey, 37-37. Balon-balon na tie. Luka, violation.
Ang layo niya. Ang layo niya, nandito, hindi na call.
Kita. Ito, hindi niya natawag. Hindi yan. Nagmamadali yan eh. Kaya yung isa ka na call.
15 seconds. Yes, for 2. 10 seconds remaining. by YPBL open substitution. And we have the 24-second shot clock. Open substitution. Let's go, let's start. It's
Dili yun ang tawagan. Dili yun ang tawagan.
blue ball,
Gadali mo na.
blue ball,
Gadali mo na ka-referee.
blue ball. Next possession, red.
Ayahan lang. Ang tawagan niya, kaya mo na obvious naman ako. Obvious lang ang mga calls.
Luka, Pupit Mike. Always. Stop. Alright. 13-second shot clock. Foul. Number 17,
Shooting foul.
EJ.
Malakas masyado eh.
First personal on EJ. 2 shots for
Wala na time.
this on the first. Oh, back-to-back misses. Mike controls the ball. Yes! Mike. He got fouled by number 8, Mac. Second personal on Mac. Second team foul on YPBL. Time ball game goes the shot for Big Mike.
Tamo gali. Samot na din eh. Ito ko.
For the shot for Big Mike is good. Tamang na po ang neighborhood roofing ng isa. Final 39. Time remaining 8 minutes 19.
Go, go, go!
EJ to Alvin. Alvin with the ball. Alvin got the basket pass. Alvin, he got fouled by number 65. On George. Second personal on George. First team foul on neighborhood roofing. 2 shots for Alvin. Unang basket, pasok. 40-40. Pangalawa, pumasok po ulit. 41-40. 7 minutes, 30 remaining.
Salubong! Salubong! Salubong!
Versus
Hey!
Winston. So Big Mike. Rebound by Alvin Hill. Using the glass for 2.
Ganon, ganon, ganon!
At the ball, 43-40. We have the 24-second shot clock on. 15 seconds. Luka! Tabla na naman ang laro natin. 43-43. Tabla, tabla, tabla. 15-second shot clock. Steal by Mike. Bounce pass to Luka. Luka using the glass shot. Luka by Luka. Oh! Ball remains with blue.
Foul ba na to?
Sayang.
Wala. Itaw.
OG. Mike. Foul na naman siya. Number 17, EJ. That's EJ's second personal. 13 foul on YPBL. 6 minutes remaining. 2 shots for Big Mike.
Don't get it, don't get it, don't get it, don't get it.
First shot miss. Second basket is good. 34-33 na magandang laban po ito. 5 minutes 18. 50-second shot clock. Steal by George. Pass to OG versus Wade. Recovers it. Winston. Back to OG. 15-second shot clock. Luka! No! Big Mike, rebound. Big Mike, jump ball. Red is the possession arrow. Red. Next possession, blue. Time. 44-43 naman po ang blue. Neighborhood perfect. For the next 30 remaining. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Andre for 3. George controls the ball. OG versus PC. CB practice here. OG. 15-second shot clock. 10 seconds. Foul on Ideal. 14 foul, 1 foul is penalty. Next foul is penalty. Second personal on Ideal. OG out to George. George. Favorite shot. Yes! And 1 for George. Number 17, EJ, that's EJ's third personal, 15th foul on YPBL. Score is 46-43. Bonus shot for George.
Huwag niyong iwanan yung tres. No three, guys.
47-43. Neighborhood roofing by 4 points. Minutes. Time out. Right, EBL, that's their first time out. One time out remaining for Right EBL, 2 timeouts for neighborhood roofing. Hindi na namin bago. No. One time out for red, 2 timeouts for blue.
OG!
18-second shot clock. 15-second shot clock. Andre for 3, strong. Rebounded by Master. Good mark to George.
Get the ball! OG, get the ball, OG!
15-second shot clock. 10 seconds.
Leader! Alis ka dyan!
OG jumper, they're good. Good for the rebound. Good. And it's a smooth jump ball.
Blue ball.
Blue ball. Next possession, red. Good defense by Blue. Start the clock. 47-43. 15-second shot clock. Foul on George. 1-on-1 for George. Last 2 minutes.
OG, we have 2 timeouts.
Brought to you by Reynantes Magong.
We have 2 timeouts. You can roll timeout anytime.
Just 2 team fouls for blue.
Okay, okay.
Team foul. Ideal. 15-second shot clock. 12 seconds. 1 minute 48 remaining. 12-second shot clock. Ideal. 10 seconds. Charge rebounds and block pass for Wood. Turnover. Steal by Wood. Last touch by Blue. Ball remains with Red. June. Nope. Rebound. Miss. George. Time out. Drop ball.
Red ball, red ball, red ball, red ball. Hindi, tumawag siya time out. May nakahawak sa bola eh. Defense! Let's play defense!
Oh, that's a big. Ideal versus Winston. Nope. Smooth now. Red.
Oh my God, ang dami nyo nilagyan. Ang dami nyo.
Second blue ball. Last touch by Ideal.
That's what's in your face and you can see it.
1 minute 5 seconds remaining.
Get the ball, get the
15
ball.
second shot clock.
One-on-one na yan. So, let them.
10 seconds.
Ayaw yan mag-foul eh. Ton! Rebound! Rebound! Patay. Ay, pero ba yan?
Labit. Hands up. Okay.
June to Ideal.
Get the ball. Get the ball.
Andre Cook.
Yes.
Ball goes to Blue. With 24.2 seconds remaining. Neighborhood thing.
Laban sila sa ganyan.
One timeout remaining each. One timeout remaining for each team. 42, 50, 40 through 40, 24.2 seconds remaining. Let's go, let's play ball.
Kaya nga ito, nakakatalat naman naman. Taranta.
Let's go. Clock starts. Foul on.
One-on-one eh.
Ha?
Muna din ako
Two
kailangan
shots.
ng foul pero mintik eh. Dali kang one-on-one.
Third personal on Mac. 17 foul. Two shots. Oh,
Ito po tayo
George.
ng duwa na.
First free throw by George is good. Parang hindi nag-run tayo. Second basket by George, also good. 52-43. 15 seconds remaining. Wow, what a move by Nigel.
Ito rin yung ibuhat niya dito sa ikatake ba?
Foul or pinasarap. Aldrin. Two shots for Lucan. Second personal on Aldrin.
Wala, 7 seconds. Wala ka na.
Best player. Best player. Best player. Malakas magdasal.
AJ.
Pumasok ka? Hindi. Balon, ginapshot eh. Para si Atoy ko. Oh. Second basket by Luka. Pasok. Coast to coast by Argyle for two. That's it. It's a 6-point win by Neighborhood Roofing. 53-47. The best player of the ball game is